get you the fundamental as well as the technical perspective on quite a bit of them. But over the next half an hour or so, we'll try and do that. But before we do all of that, Sharad, tossing to you for the market share, because amongst other key stocks, the IT ones are seeing quite a bit of recovery. What are you picking up?
Well, that's right. Thank you very much, Puneet, for that. And largely we see there was a big gap down impact coming from the IT space. But over the last 10-15 minutes, Puneet, the recovery has started. It's not very big, but definitely short covering is coming in the IT stocks. The larger players are of course not supporting, be it Reliance, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, and that is why that much recovery is not coming in. If Nifty IT index, if you can show, that is where you will see the actual magic actually happening, and this is the magic which I'm talking about. It's almost there. In that green area, it's going to take another 10-15 minutes if it sustains in this rate, and that is where the street is very optimistic about. A lot of overselling was there, and now the technical pullbacks is something which is being looked at. Also, Nifty Bank, the story remains the same. Not much happening here. It's also near its day's low. A little bit of recovery attempt is trying to come, but nothing very much convincing. Let's give it a little bit more time, but let's look at the triggers. What's more important? AI-led sell-off has dampened the market sentiment overall. A recovery is still at play, but still not that convincing. The second straight day this is happening globally, and Nifty has broken the 25,600 key level mark. So if that bounces off in the closing, that will be a key support level for Nifty. Nifty Bank, the congestion level is at 60,000. It's comfortably above that. If it goes below that, then there is a concern. Also, apart from that, let's look at the key data. The options data is suggesting a recovery may be there because the PCR numbers are on the lower side. But the short covering, that's the biggest news right now, Puneet, is the oversold IT positions. The short covering is coming in. And that is where the overall momentum is looking strong. But broader indices, not much recovery because still it's in the favor of bears overall. If you look at it, the ratio is almost 3:2. Realty Metal Energy, they are not holding up, and big sell-off is still there. So, Puneet, it's just a recovery of IT, but the markets haven't actually recovered. Some sectors are still under the pain. What you are getting there?